Hey, B.
What's up?
We're going to Orange County, California. Yeah.
Ooh, Orange County, California.
Those boys getting a lot of trouble over there.
Well, California is a big state.
Yeah. So, apparently not a lot of 911 calls were generated about a male pointing a weapon at them. Okay.
Pointing at his neighbors and stuff?
Yeah, motorists and neighbors and stuff like that.
Oh, okay.
So we're going to watch this clip.
All right.
Oh, Orange County, Mexico, apparently.
Oh, speaking of Spanish. Okay.
No salga con el arma, porque van a pensar que estás amenazando.
Was he talking to him in person or on the phone?
On the phone.
Okay.
On the phone.
I was going to say, he's real calm for talking to him in person.
Yeah. Jorge's his name, huh?
Hey, no,
Holy shit.
don't do it.
Whoa.
Woo! Okay. That was quick. They were getting some.
Tasers, beanbags.
Beanbags ineffective.
They did everything except to play the 40, man.
Yeah. That's probably, what was that, 12 shots?
A shit ton of shots.
Yeah.
Dude, I think before you even pull that out, man, I'd be lighting him up with a taser.
Yeah,
just because he's more static.
Of course, yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Oh, he's got the gun up.
Right
What's
there,
he putting
man.
it to his head?
You can see how much they're shaking right now.
Yeah. I was going to say, that guy, he's got a massive adrenaline dump. Because
Yep.
when we shoot the taser, usually the dot just stays. But you can see the dot jumping around. That's the adrenaline in him.
Yep. And if it's a good taser, hit, he's gonna fold.
Correct.
And this was ineffective.
Ooh, and he gets 1 round off, 2 rounds off, 3 rounds.
Yeah. This guy with the AR just
He shoots at least 8. That's what I counted. At least 8.
look how
close they are.
Yeah,
too.
and watch when he.
Yeah.
See,
they could have shot him right
there.
Right then, they
taser
could have
dots.
shot him.
Yeah, the top one and the bottom. It's good.
That's perfect lockup.
Good spread.
But the problem is, see now, again, we're dealing with the old age question of do you shoot, not shoot? The guy wants to kill himself. He goes like this or like this.
Yeah.
But
you can see how
he answers it for them.
Look at that.
Right here. Because as soon as he brings the gun down, look at that taser. Wow.
Yeah.
He fires 3 rounds. As soon as he fired those 3 rounds,
yeah,
that's a wrap.
Yep.
It was a done deal.
And he does it concealed. Look at that. He shields his body.
Yeah.
Right. And this happened in seconds, bro.
Yep.
Right. That's what people don't understand is how fast this shit happens. Could you shoot him his gun out of his hand? No.
If somebody tried to shoot the gun out of his hand when he's going like this, most likely you're going to shoot him in the head, or in the face.
Problem solved.
Which is the problem is solved. But yeah, it's so hard to shoot like that, especially in the situation with your body reacting to the adrenaline and stuff. Yeah.
First of all, let me break this down to you. That guy appeared out of nowhere. It seemed to me. When they came into the backyard, right? He just boom, he's right there. If he really wanted to, he could ambush those guys.
He could have
just lit them up.
Yeah, he could have got a couple of them.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, was that his house?
That was he was a roommate there.
Okay, so he's on his own property.
Yeah.
Okay, but he's walking around flashing a gun.
Yeah.
We get that call a lot in Vegas.
Yeah. Well, it's a right to carry.
Yeah, you have a right to carry. A lot of people call the police and just say, "Hey, this guy's carrying a gun. And, it's on his hip. Open carry."
Yeah.
This is an open carry state. This is a cowboy town.
Yeah.
You can walk around with 2 Colts on your sides,
Wild West,
if you want, and it's not against the law.
There was a commissioner that would ride around with his horse.
Yeah, guns on his sides. Yeah, you can do that here. So a lot of people call it. That's a normal call for us.
Yeah,
and sometimes it goes that way.
Yeah,
sometimes it goes that way. I don't know if they've been drinking or they're on drugs or
liquid courage, man.
I
hate the cops too. Doesn't help.
But no, that was a good shoot.
I think those sheriffs. I think that's the sheriffs. I believe. I think they did everything right. I mean, the only thing they could have used is the 40. I think that's more of a deterrent because it's more of a pain compliant than the beanbag.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, the 40 hurts more than the beanbag, I think.
So,
but I mean, they tried to taser him twice.
Multiple beanbags.
Multiple beanbags. The guy wasn't flinching.
If he's 408, he's not going to feel those. Or drunk.
Just drunk.
He's not going to feel those beanbags, dude.
No, he might feel them, but he's not going to care.
Yeah.
So, and then as soon as he lowers the gun towards the officers and fires 3 times, he's going to get shot. Yeah. He sealed his own fate. He could have been suicide by cop too. Could have been suicide by cop. So either way, that was a good video. That was a good shoot.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Absolutely. I think we're going to give these boys 10 donuts.
10 donuts?
Yeah, just for the simple fact they did everything. They deployed all the tools that they could use.
They did.
Quickly.
Yeah, and they were even on the phone with him in the beginning.
Yeah.
It's almost like a barricade, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Barricade a subject, you want to get him on the phone, communicate with him, talk to him, see what you can do to calm it down or bring him out peacefully. Obviously, he said on the phone, you heard him, he's going to bring a gun out.
Yep.
And so the officer told him, don't do that, we will shoot you. He still brought the gun
considered
out.
As a threat.
Yeah, they did all the low lethal was good. They waited till they had 6-7 guys to go in there, which is good. You don't want to go in there by yourself. I mean, if you have to with 2 of you, you'd be good. But it's better when you have more officers.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think,
and especially with the rifle.
Yeah, the rifle was perfect.
Right.
The rifle was perfect.
Yeah.
10 donuts. 10 donuts. 10 donuts is good.
Good.
If you have any comments about this video, if you think it was a good shoot, bad shoot, leave them below. If you have any questions for us, hit us up at ask@LVCopsTV. We will answer your questions live right here on video.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, like, subscribe, ring the bell, all that stuff. Click the subscribe button. I mean, look at that face. How could you say no to that face? You know what I mean?
I could.
What? This guy. Click the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.
And for those who are still surveying, have a safe tour of duty, please.
Make a difference in someone's life. Stay classy, Las Vegas.
Always.